Alright, we're back. Part 2. I really don't want to lose the footage, so I haven't figured out the problem, if it's the software or what, but it's not like I don't have enough room on my SD card. My SD card has like 116 gigs on it, so it can't be that it's too low of a storage. So, alright. Well, back to this. I smell it. You can smell that hydrogen or nitrogen that comes off this when you use one of those packs. One of those packs there, if you do it right, and you can, it's flammable. It is flammable, so you can start a little fire with that. Pretty much, what I should do is do a series on everything that's flammable. Iodized salt, and then the shit tickets. I hear cars in the background. Rocky. So, this one here wasn't even worth the tray. Precious, like I don't want nothing to do with the outdoors. But whenever I mention let's go camping or go hiking, she's all excited and ready to go. Well, her introduction to camping is glamping. So Precious probably thinks glamping. So right now that's probably why she's in the truck. And Rocky's out here in the woods somewhere. You better come back over here where I can see you. I see you. You better come back over here. Rocky. You better come back over here. Where do you think you're going? Hey, you better come back here. I don't need a video of me searching you down and pulling your ears off. These people don't want to see that. That's when they like to have it edited out. What are you doing? Where are you going? Get back here! Rocky! Get back here! Get back here now! Get back here! Don't you be running down the street. You get back here where I can see you. Get back here. I'll give you a spanking in front of everybody. Just like a little kid. Alright, I put that in the pack. You're going to get a spanking. Running down the road. Tell you what, young man. I got my glove here. Pour that coffee in there. You behave, or go get in the truck. Go get in the truck. I'm gonna spank your butt. You going to go run down the street. What's wrong with you? What if you get hurt? Huh? What if you get hurt? What then? You better drink your water. You better drink your water I gave you. This knucklehead. Yeah, you're a knucklehead. Alright, we'll mix up the coffee. Sorry for interruptions, and yeah, like I said, I don't edit my videos, so you see how bratty, I'm going to call them my kids, because Rocky's my son, my brother, my best friend, same with Precious, my sissy, my sister, my brother. No, she's not my brother. Well, sometimes she acts like her. Alright, well, maybe, here we go. Let's put this in front of me. Got the barbecue sauce. We'll wait for the coffee to cool down. I'll take a drink of that. Now. Ooh-wee. Can you hear that sound? Can you hear that sound when it's sizzling? It's sizzling. Can you hear it? It's like snap, crackle, and pop. It says do not overfill. Oh, I overfilled it. See? 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 It says overfill. I overfilled it. Alright, well, let's get this out. Let me get this out. Here we are. Put that there in our garbage. We'll need this. We need the pack. Boy, look how red my face is. Oh. It's cloud covered out here. Alright, put that in there, in the garbage. We're going to open this up, and look at that. That is your beef filling. Oop, what? Iraqi spiders? Oh my. And my Iraqi spiders follow you everywhere. Those camel spiders. Whew. Alright, put that there. Then we'll open up this, if I can. Okay, there we go. Alright, we gotta, let me just get a little bit to pop up out of this thing. Trying to think what type of it looks like the bourbon style, but it doesn't taste like it. It tastes more like the low-bought brand of like Wise's Wise's barbecue with some brown sugar. Now let's mix this up. Boy, this is just nothing but water. Since I warmed it up, at least if it would have had, if I didn't warm it up, it would still have been some sort of solid state. This is just like a mess waiting to happen. If you drop this, and it's going everywhere. Very watery. I wouldn't understand why they wouldn't give you crackers for this, and they only give you 2 tortillas, so where do you think you're going? Get back under the table. Ooh, that mixture of the barbecue sauce and the tortilla, not tortilla, but the taco filling. Pinch off one end and knead it around so it like covers the moon. See, moon shaped. So when I say cover the moon, you're just kneading the filling up to the edge. This is more like a chili. And that's probably what they did. Probably a chili that someone made, but it wasn't to the exact specifications. So instead of getting rid of it, they probably, oh, let's call it taco stuffing, beef taco filling. Got a little spice to it. Boy, I'm sweating, you can tell. Right through here. And the sun went away. The clouds are rolling in. Sounds to me like Rocky's behind me. He's trying to chase something in the something back there. What are you doing, boy? Huh? What are you looking for? Precious doesn't want to socialize today. Right, Precious? You don't want to socialize today. And I'm putting quite a bit on these tortillas. And still have enough for a third. Like, they could have put 3 tortillas in there. Seriously. I mean, they could have also, that is very hot, by the way. Yeah, I'm going to put that to the side over here next to me. And, matter of fact, I'm going to let the water drain out. That can't be, huh? That probably can't be good for the environment. Whatever it's made of. But, oh well, anyway. Let's Yeah, I think this one just might have been thrown together. I would have liked to seen more tortillas. Yeah. I could see them stop by and harass me because I'm sitting in here eating lunch that I need to pay for the site. Oh, they're coming through here. Someone's coming through this way. And the main road's over here. That one had a sticker on the side. The one at the main road. Wouldn't surprise me if they would come in here and be like, hey, what you doing? I'm making YouTube video. And that'll be a part of the no edit. They would walk up here. I don't know, this one was a strange one. Really. Now, if I would ever come across this, I would probably grab me some extra stuff out of someone else's that what they don't eat. Yeah, I would probably, yeah, definitely would have grabbed. I wish there was a way that when I use the YouTube app to stitch the first section to this section, because with it, my phone messing up and deleting half my footage when it gets to like 30 minutes or whatever, or 45 minutes. Just seems, I wish I could stitch it together. That way I know when I get to 30 minutes on one video, I can just stitch it. Because for some reason, YouTube don't like it when you go ahead, okay, if I put this one up, I'm going to do MRE, menu number, number 6, beef taco, and I'll put part 1, and then I'll do the same thing for part 2, and just because the titles are the same, but there's only one thing different because one says 1 and 2. They'll come back and yell at you, saying, "Hey, it's computer. There's something wrong. Something's not generated right. Like some computer input the information for you." Which, all right, we got a little hot water left. Yeah, let's throw that in there. Throw that in there. We'll throw the garbage in the bag over here with the stuff that we've washed. Rocky, where are you? Rocky. Put that in the garbage. Rocky. Oh, there you are. He was under the table. Come on, come up here. Come up here and say hi. Come on up here. Come on, you can do it. Come on, turn towards me. Turn towards me. There you go. All right, good boy. Good boy. Say hi. Say hi to your fans. Yeah, say hi to your fans. Yeah. They want to meet the boy. The bad boy. They want to meet the bad boy. Yes, they do. They want to meet the bad... Oh, now what, are you mad at me? Because I called you bad boy. Huh? That's what you are. You're the bad boy of the group. Oh, here comes Miss Precious. Hi. Hi, Miss Precious. You want to come up here? Here's some water. There's some water. Here. There's some water. Go ahead. You can have some water. I guess she wants to say hi after all. Come on. Let's come on down here. Come on down here. I don't know. Can you see her? Can you see her underneath the table? There she is. There's the little girl. Yeah. There she is. We should go on a hike, huh? Yeah. I promised Rocky I would take him. Oh, I got water in there. I got dirt in the water. Okay, we'll just take that and put it over in the dishes that need washed. I'm sorry, buddy, but want some hot water? No, I wouldn't either. So pour that out. Oh, what are you doing? Look at her. Look at her. She's trying to get up here too. She wants in the picture. See, the little diva. Little diva. That's what she is. She's a little diva. Yeah. So you're saying hi to your friends out there? Huh? I know it's hot today. Hey, I promised him that this week we would go down to the Fort Halifax and let him do some swimming. So I think we'll change venues and not to be doing a picnic table. I will be doing a creekside MRE eat for menu number 7. Wow, that sounded like rain there for a minute. It's like a light sound of like a choo-choo train coming through between the leaves. Oh, I don't think I even stirred that. Oh, Precious is in the truck. She's probably getting ready to go. Okay, that doesn't have sharp ends on it. You okay, bud? You just standing here? Oh, feel that air, Rocky. Well, anyway, back to the review on this menu number 6 beef taco. I really don't understand what they put together here. I mean, if you had another MRE, maybe chicken noodle. Maybe if you had that chicken noodle and it had the crackers and cheese, or if they or you find another MRE with crackers and peanut butter. Oh, you climbing down? You climbing down? Buddy. Yeah, go ahead. You can go play. So, yeah, I really think, alright, they goofed, they pretty much, I think, I just feel that they like put stuff together just to put stuff together, because, and to charge, back then that was probably $10 to make, I mean, to put together, I mean, bulk wise, now I would, like I said, with, having, like like Gordon Ramsay come up with new, or have some of his, make a show where they come up with new, and new meals, that would be, or if they would take a meal and turn it into cuisine, I could see, see myself watching that, see what they could make out of, well, I don't know what they really could make out of beef taco. You got the beef taco, you got tortillas, you got the little jalapeno, combos, some barbecue sauce, you got jam, you got, peanut butter, yeah, that would be interesting to see if they could make anything at all palatable out of that. I don't know. Put it in the comments what you think. What do you think? I mean, I just can't get over it. That was. It says beef taco on the outside, so you, when I think about it, you like have inside there. You would have like some sort of like soft tortilla roll with beef filling in it, you know, like maybe 3 or 4 of them stuffed in there, and you pull them out one by one and eat them. You know, that's what I would have thought. I wouldn't have thought that they had a whole thing. They just might as well call that beef taco chili. Not beef taco filling, beef taco chili. That's, and they could have added crackers along with the tortilla, or put more tortillas in. So that's what my review on MRE number 6. If I would have known that, I would have brought all the ones that I didn't eat prior. Which I'm going to have to do a video of that where I bring out the ones I didn't eat and we eat them, because, or put them together to make a actual full, like a meal. That wasn't, what are you hiding in the weeds for? You like pooping back there. You remind me of some people that like to hide in the weeds and poop. And, yeah. Speaking of that, pooping, right over here in the corner, I see some white toilet paper type stuff. I think it's toilet paper. I'm going to walk over and look, but why would you, raise, come on. Alright, let's see here. Oh, darn it. There we go. There we go. We got that all taken care of. We can throw that back into the... Then take the water filter, put it back in there too. Rocky, did he just clean the truck? I think he did. Oh yeah, that's much better stirred up. But yeah, man, I gotta do a number 4 here, like, stop it. So I guess I'm gonna have to do that. Gonna pack this up. Oh, Rocky's already in the front seat. He's ready to go. Yep, I see him in the front seat. I don't know if you can see him in here. Let's change this around. I don't know. Can you see him in the front seat? You can see him? Yeah. Or I wonder if this time's out because I don't touch it or something. I don't know. But I don't know why it does that. Right now I'm at 31 minutes, so I'm guessing around 45 it'll shut off and say it can't load this to the SD card. So better hurry up and say my piece and continue on the next one. So this was MRE number 6, beef taco. There could have been a lot of different that they could have done. It could have probably been paired with another MRE. Yeah, so like maybe chicken noodle. I don't know. Need more bread. Need something. Crackers. More tortillas. But you did get two full-size soft tortillas out of that. Just out of that. So with some leftover for a third tortilla. They could have probably made 3 tortillas. I win the next one with meal number 7. I don't know what that is, but we'll do meal number 7 at the Fort Halifax, so Rocky and Precious can play in the water, and I can sit and maybe I can fish a little. I'll take a little fishing rod with me. So, yep. I got another swig left, and then that'll be it. So, like, you know what to do. 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 See you in the next one.